Imagine standing on a sea of ice, with nothing but the wind for company. Suddenly, a shadow moves on the horizon. It's not a trick of the light, it's the largest land carnivore on Earth, the polar bear. Let's talk about these incredible creatures. Polar bears aren't just big, they're absolute giants. Adult males can weigh more than 1,500 pounds and stand up to 10 feet tall on their hind legs. That's taller than your average basketball hoop. Nearly all of that bulk is muscle and a thick layer of blubber. Why? Because life in the Arctic isn't just cold, it's brutal. Now I know what you're thinking. How do polar bears survive in such an extreme place? It's all thanks to their fur and skin. Their fur isn't just white, it's actually transparent and each hair is hollow. This helps trap heat from the sun, even when it's 50 below zero. And beneath that, their skin is jet black, soaking up whatever warmth it can. Pretty clever, right? But surviving the cold is only half the challenge. The real battle is finding food. Polar bears are expert hunters with a sense of smell so powerful they can detect a seal from almost a mile away. Through thick ice, they spend hours, sometimes days, waiting by breathing holes for seals to surface. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's a matter of life and death. Yet, despite all their adaptations, polar bears are struggling. The Arctic sea ice they depend on is melting faster each year. Every summer, the ice shrinks more, and polar bears have to swim farther and farther, sometimes over 60 miles at a stretch, just to find solid ground or their next meal. Imagine swimming for days in freezing water just to survive. That's what these bears do. Here's a wild fact. Polar bears can actually slow their metabolism when food is scarce, almost like hibernation. It's their secret weapon for surviving the lean months. But even their remarkable biology has limits. Without enough ice, there's just nowhere left to hunt. So why should we care? Because the story of the polar bear is really the story of the Arctic itself. When we lose the ice, we lose more than just a hunting ground for bears. We lose an entire ecosystem. And that loss ripples all the way to us. Next time you see a photo of a polar bear on a melting ice floe, remember? They're not just icons of the wild, they're a warning from the edge of the world. For me, polar bears are a symbol of strength and resilience, but also a reminder that nature needs our respect and our help. Thanks for joining me on this icy adventure. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.